Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Got a little something different for you today. I have some base paints here, and these are custom mixed. Actually, a lot of them have been scraped off my table from playing with my paints. I have a light blue, I have a medium gray, and I have a dark gray. They're my three base colors. And then I have some Payne's gray, golden fluid. I also have some Aqua, golden fluid. I have some phthalo turquoise, golden fluid. I have some pearl, and I have some Modern Masters rose quartz. All right, so I'm gonna put my base paints down. And so real quick, the recipe here is 2 parts floetrol to 1 part paint, and then water to thin. But my paints are not as thin as they would be for a pearl cell effect. And I'm also not putting in a satin enamel. So I don't want all the pearls, but I want the thin effect and the mixing. You'll see, you get a different effect with it. You still get some lacing and some little bit of pearls, so it's quite nice. After I put my base paints down and I add my color, I'm going to be swiping in the cell activator. And in this case, I'm using 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white. You can do this with just the 4 parts American floetrol to 1 part paint, or you could add the wood conditioning oil. And I have a video here, and I'll link it. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really liked playing with this effect. You can see I'm already getting a little bit of pearl, a little bit of mixture there. It's just because of the thin paints, the consistency of the paint. It's not a satin enamel, so there's no satin enamels in these paints. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Take care.
Like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Hold on to what I believe So let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? That's what it took to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply.
creating this, I was doing it from a different perspective, but as I was editing this video and I'm looking at it, it almost looked like mountains and water and the sky, looking at it the way you're looking at it. So I actually like the orientation the way we see it right here, but I was doing it almost upside down. So it was strange, but I really like the orientation of the lighter sky on the top. But as I was doing it, I wasn't seeing it that way. So this is just really strange. So I just wanted to share that with you.